Now we will see the demonstration of numerical functions. Numerical functions in SQL help to apply various numerical functions onto the data. So these functions can be log, absolute value, or any mathematical functions like cos, sine, tan, working with pi, radians, degrees, or log values. So consider a domain like product prices and discounts, and let us see what numerical functions can we apply. So here we have product pricing, which includes product ID, product name, price, and the discount percentage. So here I insert some sample data. Now let's say I'm looking for the rounded price after discount percentage calculation. So to calculate the discount amount, it will be the price into the discount percentage divided by 100. So let's say, like for example, if a particular product is 50,000 and I give a discount of 20%, so 50,000 into 20 by 100. So basically it will be 50,000 into 0.2, and that will give me 10,000. So 50,000 minus 10,000, 40,000 is the actual price, and that amount I am rounding it up by 2. Let us see the final amount that we get here. So here 60,000, 10% discount nearly, and so it is giving me 53699, 9.55, and so on. These values are getting calculated. Let us see what is the absolute discount amount, the absolute value of it. Let's not consider if it is positive or negative, but just the. So here for the first product is 6-7,000, second product 40 rupees, third product 130, and so on. Let's see about the floor and the ceiling. Floor is the lowest, that is, see, this is the floor value without having any point zeros, and this is the ceiling value, that is one higher. See, wherever the value is 799.00, there the floor and the ceiling is giving me the same one, but here in this case it is 8499 and 8500. Let us see what will be the square root for the price, which is only for demo, and it wouldn't make any sense, but still here it is 244. If we round up the price to the nearest integer, then here for the first value, see, whatever is less than 0.5 goes as the previous number, whatever is more than 0.5 goes as the higher number. So if you see this 4.49, and let us see this 0.5, anything below 0.49 and below will be 8499, 0.5 and above will be the next higher value. So as you can see here, see, 849.49 is as it is, but if it is 0.5 and above, it is taken as the next value. 799 as remains as it is, this is taken as the next value. This is also taken as the next value. The next is square of the price. These are the squared up values. Modulus, that is modulus of a value, it will give me the remainder. So here if I divide by 1000, so here it gives me this value, that is how many after thousands, how many, what value do I have. Let us also see log and exponentiation for interest calculation. So this is the log value, this is the exponent value of 1. This is the reversed log, exponent of log of price. See, this is the log value. On the log, if I put the exponent, it is again going to give me back the same value itself. So exponent of log of price will give me the price itself, because exponent and log are reverse of each other. Sign will show if it is a positive or a negative discount value. Printer does not have any discount, so it shows 0. If I specify round of with a negative value, see the last, that is, it will round up to the last 2 digits that are there. Let's see, if I say round of -3, then this will give me 60,000 itself. This will give me 1,000. This will give me 2,000. This will give me 13,000. That is whatever is 500 and more is taken as the next 1,000 value, and that will also give me 9,000. I think 500 is taken as $500 goes to the previous limit itself, I think. This and this have moved to the next value, whereas this have moved to the previous value. So these are various numeric functions and application of those on some domain.